has a stock query for us. Sriram, very good morning and welcome to Ask Profit. What's your query?
Very good morning to you all. My question is on the Jio Financial. I got this as part of the Reliance split, right? I mean, I have been having holdings Reliance stocks for almost a decade. But I got as part of that some stocks. And I've been looking for, that, and it's kind of moving almost flat.
Yeah.
And what is the outlook for the next 3 months? Actually, I have a need for a fund. So
Okay.
I'm just thinking whether should I sell it now and then after 3 months enter it if it's this. I need some suggestion there.
God, Sriram. Actually, it's a short-term query that you're asking, but let me go across to Asta first on this because Asta, he got this as part of Reliance Industry Holdings. Would you suggest that it might take some more time on the fundamentals for the company to start rearing since it's building out this business now? What would you recommend Sriram to do?
I would recommend a hold on this counter. So now talking about Jio Financial Fundamental, first of all, it is well placed to cater the opportunities which is present in this digital, financial expansion. Secondly, across their verticals like lending, payments, etc. Now the execution has started kicking in, and I believe that this will definitely give a good set of numbers going ahead. So my idea here is maybe it can be a slow performer going ahead, but yes, one can remain invested in this counter. So we are giving a whole recommendation to Geo Financial, and our price target is 325 to 330 at the initial juncture.
Gaurav, to you quickly as well, because Sriram did highlight that he has the use of funds. So if he really does have to sell this counter, is this a good price point given his buying price was 200 rupees per share?
Yes, he is already making a 50% kind of a profit in his this position. Since the position he can hold only for 3 months now. So I think a level close to 310, 320, which Asta has also mentioned, is a good price point to actually book his position.
Okay, so that's both the fundamental and the technical view that we are seeing for Jio Financial Services. But with that, let me move on to the next query. And it's Sanjay who's writing to us from Bangalore. Now, he's holding 100 shares of Rajesh Exports at a price of 227. Wants to understand whether he should continue to hold it for 1 year, considering that he's made a loss on this counter. The stock, if you see the last 1 year period, has also seen about a 19% of a correction. So, Gaurav, let me come to you on this one. What would your view be? What do the charts indicate?
See, Rishi, it has been an underperforming counter from quite some time now, and all the consolidation or recovery attempts have faded out. If you look at it, past performance, maybe the recent past performance, I'm talking about 3 to 6 months, the stock hasn't done anything. It is better to get rid of this stock and look at some other performing counters.
We are seeing for Rajesh Exports, but with that, let me go to the next caller. It's Lakshmikant who's calling to us from Andhra Pradesh. Hi, Lakshmikant. How can we help you?
Hello. My name is Lakshmikant and I'm calling from Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. I am looking to invest 2 lakh rupees into equity markets. I have currently invested in mutual funds as well, but I have a lump sum amount, so I am looking to invest 2 lakh rupees in equity markets. So just wanted to understand which are the best options that I can get into.
Lakshmikant, just want to understand, is it the first time that you're directly making an entry into specific stocks? Is it large caps that you want to focus on? So it is first time that you'll be marking your entry, right?
Yes. I have been into mutual funds until now, so I'm looking to have a fresh entry into the stocks.
Okay, let me go to Asta then. Asta, so it is a fresh portfolio that he wants to build with specific stocks in mind. His overall portfolio size also is 2 lakh that we are looking at. So, there would be scope for diversification as well. What would you recommend for a person who's starting it for the first time?
Yes, so secondary market is looking good along with the primary markets also. In the secondary market, we are believing that start investing not the lump sum amount, but start, investing in the smaller amount. So if you have a 2 lakh rupees, then just invest initially 50,000, then 50,000. So these are the chunks in which one should invest because markets are quite volatile. Secondly, I would like to recommend 2 to 3 stocks where one can have an eye on. First of all, in the banking space, HDFC Bank looking very, very strong to us. The way we are believing that this bank is giving its numbers, and especially where margins and ROEs are looking very, very strong as compared to peers. And they always hold a premium. That's why in comparison to their peer. So first of all is the HDFC Bank. Secondly, we are liking L&T a lot. If I talk about L&T, we believe that now from coming quarters, definitely, the order pipeline will get stronger. And that's why the company is looking very positive. Capital goods space is looking very positive. So we are very much positive on the L&T also. So these are few counters. In fact, in the IT space also, we would like to recommend Persistent System. We are finding this stock to be very, very attractive, even from the long term point of view, and even from these levels. So these are the few counters where one can keep an eye on, but start investing in chunks rather than investing at one time lump sum amount. And in fact, the primary markets are looking good to us. So there also, if one can do the minimum application of 15,000, then ICICI Prudential AMC IPO, which is open today, is also looking very good to us. And I believe that this IPO is a very good portfolio, candidate. And in fact, not only for listing in fact, we believe that if counter remains in the portfolio for long term, it will generate very good returns.